Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to check the oil in this BMW E60. You have to do this one in iDrive, so it is different than an E90, and we'll show you right now. Okay, so we have the key pushed in, we have the ignition turned on. The car should be running, but we're indoors, so we're not going to have it running. It's going to have the most accurate read when it is running. So we're going to enter the information or the iDrive part of it. So we're going to push down on the down button. Click it down once. It's going to bring us to this screen. And we're just going to roll. We're going to roll it like you're turning the channel on the radio. I'm sorry, we're going to push down on it. My bad. Push down. That's going to bring us down here. You can toggle through these. We're going to click on service info. And all of our stuff is grayed out here because we're waiting on programming to get here. But that doesn't matter. We can still show you. We're going to go down one click. And we have status and engine oil level. We're going to roll over to engine oil level. And then that's your oil level. Now on an E90 you would do it over here with the BC stock. And you would change it right there in the middle. As far as I'm aware, you can't do it on this. This is quite a bit different. And that's how you check the level. Looks like our level is okay. There is no issue. And that's it. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.